We have great news for you. Congratulations, you have won a huge prize. Every morning, an amount of $1,440 will be invested in your bank account. But there are 3 conditions. They are as follows. 1. If you don't spend the money, it will be withdrawn from your account at the end of each day. 2. You cannot transfer this money to another account. 3. The bank has the right to cancel this offer whenever they wish without any prior information. In this situation, what will you do? Won't you buy anything you wish? Won't you buy for yourself and for your family and friends? Also, won't you donate part of this money to poor people and charity organizations? Ultimately, you would make use of each and every penny of this cash, right? In fact, you have a bank account in your life. You are unaware about this, but the name of the bank account is time. We all possess equally this valuable asset, time. Every day, we're gifted with 1,440 precious minutes. How do you treat this invaluable resource? Do you waste it in the endless scrolling through social media, Netflix or TV shows, or other unproductive habits? It's time to change our perspective. Let's view time as the precious commodity it truly is. Every moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference. As Jim Rohn wisely said, time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you cannot get more time. So how can we make the most of our time? Prioritize tasks. Identify what truly matters and allocate time accordingly. Minimize distractions. Limit screen time and identify areas where you can cut out wasteful activities. Learn continuously. Invest time in personal growth and professional development. Spend quality time with loved ones. Allocate time to nurture your relationships. Give back. Volunteer your time to help others and make a positive impact. Reflect each evening. Review how you spent your time and plan the most important tasks you want to accomplish during the next day. If you liked this story, check out the other videos on our channel. And please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.